These humble fish are packed with flavor and nutrition, making them a perfect base for creative and delicious recipes. If you've been staring at a can in your pantry wondering what to make, it's time to spice things up. Sardines in tomato sauce are rich, tangy, and perfect for quick meals. They're loaded with omega-3s, protein, and a burst of umami flavor that can transform even the simplest dish. Whether you're cooking for yourself or looking to impress someone, these ideas will give you a fresh perspective on this pantry staple. Pasta perfection. Turn your sardines into a Mediterranean-inspired pasta dish. Sauté garlic, onions, and chili flakes in olive oil, then toss in the sardines with their tomato sauce. Add cooked spaghetti, fresh parsley, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Garnish with grated Parmesan for an elegant, satisfying meal that's ready in 20 minutes. Savory sardine toast. Upgrade your breakfast or snack with sardine toast. Spread mashed avocado or cream cheese on a slice of toasted sourdough, then layer it with sardines and tomato sauce. Sprinkle some fresh herbs and a pinch of smoked paprika for a dish that's simple yet irresistible. Hearty rice bowls. For a quick and hearty meal, serve sardines over steamed rice. Stir-fry some vegetables like bell peppers and zucchini, and mix them with the sardines and sauce. Top the bowl with a fried egg or chopped scallions for extra flair. Sardine shakshuka. Take your canned sardines to the next level by using them in shakshuka. Simmer diced tomatoes, onions, and peppers in a skillet until thickened, then add the sardines and tomato sauce. Crack eggs into the skillet and let them poach. Serve with crusty bread for dipping into the rich, flavorful sauce. Pro tip: always balance the bold flavor of sardines with fresh ingredients like lemon, parsley, or even a side salad to keep the dish light and refreshing. Sardines are versatile and pair well with pasta, bread, rice, or vegetables. What's your favorite way to use sardines and tomato sauce? Share your ideas and inspire others to get creative with this underrated ingredient.